So day 41 na tayo, checking how many calls it takes to sell one mochi bun. I-review lang natin ulit yung mga products natin, no? Para may idea din kayo. Hello ma'am, mochi bun. Kala ko machichamba tayo, wala pa 1 minute. Hi sir, hi ma'am, mochi bun. So day 41 na tayo. So, may mga palaman na yan sir. Hi po mochi buns. Hello sir, hello ma'am, mochi bun. Hi ma'am, mochi buns po. Hello ma'am, sa TikTok ma'am, baka napanood mo na yan ma'am. Hi sir, hi ma'am, mochi buns. Hello ma'am, mochi buns. Hi ma'am, mochi buns. Hello ma'am, mochi buns po. Hi ma'am, hi sir, mochi buns. Hello sir, mochi buns. Hi ma'am, mochi buns po. Hello ma'am, mochi buns. Hello ma'am, mochi buns. Parang pillow siya ma'am eh. You can touch the product ma'am. You know, it's as big as my head na nga ma'am eh. Pambaon, perfect for baon kasi. Food sila sir. Pero parang squishy siya eh. Kaya nagugustuhan ng kids kasi they thought it's squishy eh. Normally, this 3 po. Sa baba, yung peach mango naman po, ma-recommend ko po.
You want that blueberry?
Yung chia kasi pang adult yun, ma'am eh. Siyempre, ayaw ng mga kids mga ganyan. What would you like, sir? Blueberry. Some blueberry daw. Okay. Some blue. 140 lang, ma'am. Pag if ever ito tsaka yun ma'am, 250 lang yun, combo yun, mix and match yun. Opo, makakalis kayo nun ma'am. Would you like to take 2 of them na lang ma'am? Sige po ma'am. Ito po yung change niya ma'am. Ito po yung item niya. Salamat po. Thank you sir. Thank you ma'am. Hello ma'am, mochi buns. Ay, ito ma'am, baka gusto mo mga sugar free yan. Hindi Hindi sila lahat sugar free. Ito mga to, less sugar. Ito po sugar free po to. Ito naman kasi ma'am, yung fruits lang yung nagpapatamis. So, real blueberries, real strawberries, ganun siya ma'am.
Less sugar.
Hindi yan less sugar. No sugar talaga ma'am. Kung less sugar, lahat to ma'am. Yan, pwede to. Lalo na kung magkakape ka ma'am. Yun yung laging feedback. Maybe tea ma'am. Something na hot drink eh. Yun yung lagi sinasabi sa amin. Sige, isa lang ma'am. Sige ma'am. Ibawas ka na lang ma'am. Thank you so much. May isang chia daw. Ma'am, iwan ko na lang po dito ma'am.